them grow on the ground, unless on top of the tree. They needed the sunlight too much, so the normal sit on the tree, and also dispersal by birds.
Yeah.
Birds normal come and eat the food. And after eating, maybe they just tangle with their feathers or their feet, and will sit at the tree. That's what they used to spray on. But you could tell them
You say you like Fire Hand Hill?
I said, no. I said, you be careful. You about to walk in the fire ants. Greetings, everybody. Yeah.
Let's see if we have any fire ants on us.
Yeah, you do.
Uh-oh, see this one right here?
There's one.
There's one right here?
We have visual confirmation.
Got him. See that?
It's not green.
Fire ants.
Watch your step, y'all. Fire ants.
I get this damn thing here for Charlie.
Watch it.
Nice.
I get it up there.
The sheepskin?
You like it?
Look nice, very
Like a goat
sharp.
skin. I asked for brown, but
Look authentic, look like it came from the back of a camel. No, this part right is it.
It does.
is it camel?
I mean, I don't know. This.
It could be goat.
It's probably gold. Appreciate the sister. Yes, yes. We have a love your vibrant energy and very colorful.
I love it here.
She love it.
We love it here. So does that mean that you want to camp out here?
I would love to camp out here. I've camped once in my life, but I would camp here. Yes.
And what's the biggest reason why you camp here in the Aburi Botanical Garden? So you're the survivalist?
I would not say that, but
So you're not the same person that wants Survivor?
No, but I love the outdoors.
I want Survivor.
You want Survivors?
I would sleep here.
So when was your last hiking journey?
When was it, Mom?
Hiking camping journey?
August.
August. So you have the most fresh experience. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna leave you out here in the wild and say you survive for a day.
No.
No, that's our favorite. Brother Joseph and I stayed on Stone Mountain campgrounds for 7 months outside in a tent.
Where do we go?
Yeah, we put our stuff in storage. But it's nothing compared to this. But I think we're ready. That was basic training. And this is the boot camp.
So you went out and just did the whole practical method
start a fire
of survival versus just talking about it and putting it on paper.
Yeah. We're indigenous people. We should be able to do that. And I think it's a memory that comes back to you if you put in circumstances. Yeah, you remember what you're supposed to do. Yeah.
Excellent.
We'd be just fine out here. This land is friendly to us. We'd be just fine here. So, Bamani, next year, we're going to camp out, okay?
Oh, perfect. You can camp out and I'll stay in my hotel room.
No, I'll start the fires. Don't you worry.
All right, perfect. Hey, that family? All these wonderful energies is telling you, come to Ghana, West Africa. Take a journey around this beautiful botanic gardens.
Amalanado. Now we have the hybrid. We have Amazon. Yeah. I'm sure we need to taste cocoa. Okay. Yes, cocoa chocolate. Good. We will do that. Thank you.
So when do they bear? When they bear the big pot? How often?